Pups wanted for shooting in Kingston West held in St. Elizabeth. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A man who was being sought in Kingston by the Kingston Western Police in relation to a case of shooting with intent and other serious crime was nabbed in Nain, St. Elizabeth on Thursday. Tariq Gale alias Pop was arrested during a targeted operation around 4 a.m. The 22-year-old was published as being wanted on June 23, 2021 through the Police Wednesday Wanted social media initiative Facebook post by the Jamaica Constabulary Force JCF revealed on Thursday. We thank the public for their continued support in sharing information on wanted persons as we work to achieve safer communities, the post added. Recently, Police Commissioner Major General Anthony Anderson launched the Anti-Gang Task Force, a joint police military outlet that is aimed at finding illegal guns and nabbing gang members across the country. Links 007 TV will have more information to come on this in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.